The common cold is typically spread through the air and can be the result of more than 200 different viruses that attack the respiratory system. While it's important to wash your hands frequently and avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth, you can use essential oils to help eliminate the spread of germs, as a natural disinfectant to kill them. The 4 essential oils for relief from cold are: 1. Lemon Essential Oil. Lemon oil is highly effective for reducing cold symptoms due to its antibacterial, antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. It can help to fight fatigue as an energizing oil. You can combine 4 drops each of lemon essential oil, tea tree essential oil and lavender essential oil with 4 teaspoons of coconut oil to create a massage blend. Gently massage it into your chest, neck or temples for relief. 2. Tea tree oil. Tea tree essential oil is great for getting relief from cold. Add 20 drops of tea tree essential oil to a 16-ounce spray bottle filled with water. Spray and wipe down all surfaces in your home, especially any that may have come in contact with someone who's been ill. Spray doorknobs, light switches, remote controls, keyboards, bathroom and kitchen fixtures, along with all other objects that are frequently touched and shared among family members. 3. Lavender Essential Oil. Lavender essential oil has been a popular scent for centuries thanks to its refreshing aroma and its long list of potential medicinal abilities. The oil is especially useful for respiratory ailments, including colds. It can also help to alleviate breathing problems when phlegm gets trapped in the sinuses and lungs. Combine 2 drops of lavender essential oil with 1 drop thyme oil, 4 drops eucalyptus oil and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil in a clean, dark-colored jar. Rub about a teaspoon-sized amount across your chest. 4. Thyme Essential Oil. Thyme offers antiviral, antimicrobial and decongestant properties and also has the ability to ease fatigue, relieve stress and acts as an antidepressant, all of which come together to make it ideal for fighting off cold systems. To use it, try the steam inhalation method, which will allow the oil's vapors to cleanse the airways. Add a few drops of thyme essential oil to hot water that's steaming, but not boiling. Lower your face over the bowl and use a towel, draping it over the back of your head and covering the sides of the bowl to trap the steam. Close your eyes and deeply inhale for several minutes for relief. So these are the 4 essential oils for getting relief from cold. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. In this channel you will get information about various health-related topics. Wishing you good health in your life. Bye.